Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Pixel is responsive. Charge to at least 20% if needed. Once ready, unlock the phone and open settings immediately so you don't waste time. Tap About Phone near the bottom. This gets you to the device details quickly. You do this because some RAM checks link to model specifics or Android version. After About Phone appears, make sure you note the Android build and model name. This helps interpret RAM values in the next steps. Now you enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. You'll see a brief confirmation when done. Once that's active, go back to Settings, Open System, then Developer Options to reveal deeper device metrics. Scroll to the Memory section and tap it. This shows average RAM use, available RAM, and app memory distribution. You do this because memory gives a live, system-backed view of RAM rather than third-party guesses. Finally, look at the top of the memory screen for total RAM. That number tells you the installed memory. If total RAM isn't shown, you can use Storage or a reliable Task Manager app to infer memory limits, but prioritize system memory first. If values seem incorrect, reboot the device and recheck since temporary processes can skew readings. If problems persist, clear system cache or contact manufacturer support so you don't risk misdiagnosing a hardware issue. This step resolves most anomalies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.